Okay, so right now we're gonna go inside this cottage and go taste some chocolate. Chocolate, baby. Oh yeah. Look at this cute puppy dog.
So it is the most
Cute. Cute.
There's
the chocolate. There's the chocolate, baby.
Yeah, they moved it.
Yeah.
Because we'll cut both pods. I don't really think that one's ready yet. It seems a little too premature. See how it's not? Well, it's a different variety, but it's still. So this is thick like a squash or a pumpkin. So I need to actually use my machete, but I'm going to be very careful that I don't cut into the bean itself.
Whoa!
How chocolate starts. When everyone's done taking photos, then we can do the tasting.
Yay!
Yeah. Homemade with things called a peanut fruit. So we go to farmers market.
That's a good one.
I'm dancing because I'm so worried that they're not ruining my plan. Like, yay! Because it could potentially have an off taste to it.
It's good.
So now, bite into it.
It's good.
You like?
Oh wow, when you bite into it,
So different.
different.
So, but you're biting into a superfood. This has about 200 nutrients in it. Vitamin B1 and B2, B12, magnesium, potassium. I can go on and on and on. People put this in smoothies. So when I eat this, I eat my vitamins. It's kind of a bitter pill. It's better as the secret. Do you want to try one more time and have that sweet in your mouth and not eat the bean this time? Kind of producing.
Kind of looks like a pretty flower.
Yeah, it's a little early. You
Just a
won't
little.
taste it. There's no sweetness to it.
You're not selling it to us.
No.
No.
I mean, you can. Sometimes when I open it up, it's still very hard. I can see the beans are forming, but no. So I get to much less strong. It's actually. Oh boy, yeah, this is smelling good. So this is on day 4 or 5 right now.
Oh, I smell it.
Yeah.
Oh, I can smell it too.
So if you can imagine, that white pulp.
So it's just naturally fermenting, nothing in it.
Naturally fermenting. So that white pulp is the sugar.
Sugar. It's like vinegar.
And the sugar is mixing with the microbes in the air and the bacteria in the air. And that whole fermentation process heats up to about 110 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius, 45 degrees Celsius. And what the fermentation process, but it's starting to turn brown. That one's going to turn brown. But I'm trying to. They have a cereal. I should tell them that. Remember that tree that I was telling you?
Yeah.
That was kind of where the first Mayans had. The bean is white inside, which is kind of rare. I don't know if they know that. Anyways, cool.
Yeah.
Anyways, it's a little vinegary. If you guys came here on a day when I had all the dry rack, this downstairs would smell like this.
Vinegar and chocolate are my two favorite foods, so good.
Does it also, is it me or does it also kind of smell like hazelnut?
No, it reminds me of raisins.
Oh yeah, me
Dried,
too.
you know,
Yeah, kind
dried
of
fruit. Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
it starts smelling like brownies upstairs. Kind of like making popcorn. I think the shells will start popping. I use 77.
That's real
You
chocolate.
can share a cup.
Never.
Oh, we got plenty. I got plenty.
Never.
share my chocolate.
Oh, come on. I meant the cup, not your portion.
That's real chocolate right there.
The spoons over here. Who's next?
That's good.
Look how cute he is. Look how cute.
These little freckles. Oh, I like it.
Aw, so cute.
His whole tummy is full of freckles.
So he has cherry eye, you said?
Yeah.
Look at your freckles. Look at your freckles. Look how cute.
Yeah, so they already operated on us once, and the vet said it'll come back again.
Is the cherry eye, is it permanent?
Yeah, so I'll have to operate again. It'll probably come back again. It's just basically an eyelid that just kind of doesn't stay. Because I guess they have 3 eyelids.
Yeah.
Or 2, 1 extra eyelid.
But he's so cute.
Little boy.
What's his name?
So his name is Holly Boy.
Holly Boy?
So the Hawaiians call white people Haole.
Oh.
So the Haole means visitor, white man.
Oh.
So you get it,
Yeah.
because he's all white.
Oh, puppy.
He's cute. I like him.
Coconut? Coconut?
Breezy. Life is a
Coconut? Oh. Coconut. Coconut. Okay, so now we're heading to some of where the lava poured down from the volcano. It's not the actual volcano area, but where some of the lava poured out. So just look at this. Whoa!
still like.
Isn't there like but isn't there a myth of like if you take a piece of one of these, then you have to take it back to the island or something? If you take it out of the island, then you have to take it back.
Did you hear the word myth in that sentence?
Yeah.
I like
Good
this
point.
little piece.
Good point. It's a myth though. Oh jeez. This is really cool though. I'm not.
It's off on
Better safe than sorry, right? Better safe than sorry, right, Pops? All of this just looks really cool looking. What's this? Is this a coconut, Dad? Pops, is this a coconut? Oh, jeez. Papa-san, is this a coconut? Oh.
Can we
Here?
take this home?
Here? No way. But just look how cool this looks. I literally just want to go really far out there, but I can't. I'm sorry, guys. But yeah, this is really cool. Okay, so this is a piece that I found. I think it's called Magma. Of what it's like this, I think it's called Magma, but this is really cool looking.
And the
Focus.
crush.
There we go. And there's a bottle of whiskey. Also, check out this really cool, I don't know if you can see it very well, but there's some kind of purplish and right here, and there's some kind of orange and brownish. It's really cool too.
I like this.
Me too.
This is on the ground.
That's lava,
And
right?
this is it crystallized up
This
in
is
the atmosphere.
crystallized lava, and this is just lava. I like it.
Me too. Just look at this, it's so cool. I just found some fern growing underneath. Whoa, Nelly, careful.
There's more things growing.
Just look how cool this looks. Where?
Like just a plant. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, there's some plants growing over here.
I like move this, but
Even if there's an avalanche, or it was an avalanche.
way over there, but I can't.
I want to go over there too. Trust me, but we can't, unfortunately. Stranger danger!
Yeah, let's go. We're gonna go look at a waterfall.
Key. Yeah. Hey, just when I was videoing Mom. Look at how pretty this is. Ooh. Look at how pretty this is.
What's up?
Say again?
Look how pretty this is. I wonder how deep it is down there.
I don't know. It looks pretty deep.
Yeah. Like extremely.
There's another one down there.
Yeah, probably. So look how pretty this is.
This would be like fun to try. Like, this would be a good climate to ride.
Gotta watch where we're stepping, boy.
I just want like swing.
I know. Just like in those movies.
Yeah, but I know that'd be strange. Yeah.
Yep.
Says fire from a
Whoa. Look at that tree. Now I want to really climb it now. Look at this.
No, I mean sand.
I'm sorry, Ma.
Keep going. Back up. Go.
Sorry. Okay, as you can see, I am up in the big tree. Just look how crazy and unique this is. And it's pretty high, so yeah. And my sister is not up here. She started climbing up with me, but she decided to join Mama for a second over there. So yeah, just look how cool this is. Wow. I just hope I don't have trouble getting down. Because it was actually pretty easy getting up here. This is so epic! Okay, here's a better look of the whole view. We're on the front side, so yeah. It looks really beautiful. There's a tiny one. Okay, I don't know if you can hear me at all, but right now I'm at a farmer's market or something like that, and yeah, I'm sitting down and I'm eating. The ketchup was for Alexis and the ranch is for me. So I just went that way to get a salad and stuff. So yeah. This is very crowded though. And it's pretty loud, so you can't really hear me. So yeah.